Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for shrimp and sausage Cajun pasta. Creamy, smoky, a little spicy and packed with Cajun flavor. And the key to this recipe is building the sauce in layers so the pasta absorbs all that flavor instead of just sitting underneath it. For this recipe you'll need shrimp, smoked sausage, fettuccine noodles, Cajun seasoning, kosher salt, black pepper, heavy cream, fresh Italian parsley, Parmesan cheese, fresh minced garlic, chicken stock, onion, red bell pepper, and canned fire roasted diced tomatoes. Begin by dicing the bell pepper and onion and slicing the sausage. Then boil the fettuccine until just before al dente. We don't want the pasta fully cooked here. Once the pasta is done boiling, strain it, but don't rinse it. We're going to finish cooking it in the sauce later, and the starch on the pasta helps thicken the sauce and helps the sauce stick to the noodles. While the pasta is cooking, season the shrimp with a little Cajun seasoning, salt, and pepper. Then heat some olive oil in a cast iron skillet over medium heat and cook the shrimp. Shrimp cook fast, so this usually only takes a couple of minutes. As soon as they turn pink and opaque, go ahead and remove them from the skillet and set them aside. We'll add those back in at the end so they don't overcook and turn rubbery. In the same skillet, add the sliced smoked sausage and cook until it's browned and a little crispy on all sides, then set the sausage aside with the shrimp. This step adds a lot of flavor to the pan, and that's going to become the base for the sauce. Next, add the diced onions and bell pepper to the skillet and saute until they're softened. As they cook, they'll start picking up all that flavor left behind from the sausage. Then add the garlic and continue cooking for about another minute or until it becomes fragrant. Now, pour in the chicken stock and deglaze the skillet, scraping the bottom of the pan to loosen all those brown bits. That's where a lot of the flavor comes from in this sauce. Now stir in the fire roasted diced tomatoes, Cajun seasoning, kosher salt, and black pepper. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Pour in the heavy cream and stir everything together. Bring the sauce up to a low simmer just until it begins to steam and let it cook for a few minutes so it can start to thicken slightly. And then stir in the Parmesan cheese. Next, add the pasta directly into the sauce, making sure each noodle is fully coated in that creamy Cajun sauce. This is where the pasta finishes cooking and also helps thicken the sauce at the same time. If the sauce gets too thick, you can add a small splash of chicken stock to loosen it back up. Lastly, add the shrimp and sausage back into the skillet and stir everything together. Let everything simmer on low for a few minutes until the sauce is completely thickened and everything is heated through. What you're looking for here is a creamy sauce that clings to the pasta, not a thin sauce that runs to the bottom of the plate. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your shrimp and sausage Cajun pasta turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.